Hello everyone, in this step-by-step tutorial I'm gonna explain to you how to create a Duolingo account. So the first step is to simply go to duolingo.com or simply open the official app on your smartphone. As you can see, I'm on their official website, and when you go to their official website you're gonna see these two buttons here. So all you have to do in order to create a new account is simply click on get started, and then here you're gonna have to choose what language you want to learn. And after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply wait until this loads up, and then you're gonna have to simply click on continue here. So I'm gonna let me edit this. So as you can see here, you're gonna have to simply answer a few questions, and as you can see here, you're gonna ask you why do you want to learn this language. So all you have to do is simply choose any of these. So as you can see here, you're gonna have to choose your level of knowledge of that specific language, so you can basically learn more. So as you can see here, what is your daily learning goal? So you can go 5 minutes per day or more. So I'm gonna go with intense here, 20 minutes per day. Here if you want notifications or not, so I'm gonna block them because I don't want notifications. And then here you can start from scratch, so simply click on continue here. And now what you're gonna have to do is simply to click OK. As you can see here, you're gonna have to simply choose any of these, but I'm gonna skip this game here. So let's click on continue here. So as you can see, coffee, so I'm gonna go with this one here. And basically after you complete this, you're gonna have to simply enter your email address and create your password, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.